Okay, so I recently purchased this Noctua NH-D15, and because I have the RAM itself is quite high, I can't put the included 140mm fans in the front here. So what I've done, I've put these fans in a pull-pull configuration. So what happens is, instead of the fan pushing air in, it's sucking air through the fins, then to the fan, then outside, and the same thing for the second fan. Now I found that when I have it in this the pull-pull configuration, I actually get a buzzing sound, and the buzzing sound, it looks like it's coming from the actual fans themselves. So while it's turned on, if I was to disconnect the fans, the buzzing stops. As soon as I put the fans close to the fins, it starts buzzing. So I'm not sure what's going on there, and it looks like, because I do want to have a 2-fan configuration, so it looks like I might have to either change it to a push-push, so I'll have to probably buy a 120mm fan, put it at the front here, and then just have this one turned around to have it as a push configuration as well, and then maybe put this one maybe somewhere else around the case. But yeah, I'll show you this. I'll show you a demo on what I'm talking about. Okay, so I'm not sure if you can hear that, but if I probably go closer. Hopefully you can hear that buzzing sound. So if anyone has any clues on what might be causing that buzzing sound, just probably put it down in the comments below. But yeah, I've put these clips on nice and tight, all the way that they can go. But yeah, not really sure what else to do. Okay, so I did a little bit of a juggle with the fan. So I've put the middle fan now into a push type configuration, so it's pushing in there. I've put a 120mm fan at the front here to also push in some air, and I've just put that 140mm fan just at the back of the case. I'm not sure if these fans are designed for that, but hopefully it should be okay. So let's give it a go. Okay, so it looks like in the push-push configuration, it's nice and quiet. If you can just hear that. All you're really hearing is just the turbulence. So looks like I'm gonna have to leave it as that. So pull configuration won't work. You have to push it through, push the air through the fins. So I guess it is what it is. As you can see, that's just my old 120mm fan that used to be at the back here. And that's the new fan.